What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today we're doing something I haven't done in a super long time. We're going to be doing a swipe with basically every color of the rainbow. So I have some white so that we don't have a bunch of rolling over going on the outsides. And then the swipe color we're going to be using is a black. And with that, I'm just going to start layering the colors. So we got this beautiful yellow here. Now, it's been so long since I've done a swipe that I'm like, I'm nervous. I just don't want it to get messed up. But it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm trying to not let it get off the edge yet. I feel like that yellow might just creep to the edge over there. We'll see. Then we got this kind of like an egg yolk yellow color. Just kind of a darker shade of yellow orange. It's kind of a pretty color though. Makes me want breakfast. We got this beautiful orange here. Now in all of these colors there is no silicone. This is just colors and pouring medium. How's everybody doing today? Supposedly we're gonna have this crazy thing called a polar vortex or something like that here in Detroit coming up over the next couple days. I guess some really cold air from Siberia is blowing in. It's supposed to be raining tonight and then getting down into sub 10 degrees and then heavy snowfall tomorrow. So it's going to make for very unsafe road conditions. So if any of you live here in Michigan or the northern US, please take care and drive as safe as you can, because road conditions are going to be kind of wicked coming up here soon. And I don't want anything to happen around the holidays to anybody. I don't want anything to happen to anybody at all, but especially around the holidays. This would be a terrible time for something to happen. I just want to pop that bubble over there. All right, now we're getting into the cool colors. So this is going to be kind of like a dance of ice and fire. For those of you that watch Game of Thrones, that's probably where I got that reference from. But yeah, I haven't done a swipe in so long. Had the idea to do one and I was trying to remember the last one I did. And it's been a decently long time. Got kind of a different tool that I'm going to use this time though. Mixed up a little bit of onyx black with some coconut oil hair serum. It's a 3-ounce cup. I mixed about 2 to 3 drops in there. And that's what we're going to be doing. Now I know I'm going to be swiping from one direction to the other, so I am going to leave a little bit of space over here so the colors can continue to get just pulled over to this side, as I know they will. This magenta is more of a hot color. Maybe it's kind of slowly graduating back to the other color. We'll see. All right. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing amazing. The holidays are so close. They're right around the corner. And it's always been an exciting time of the year for me. And this year is no exception. Kind of started a new chapter in my life, living up here in Michigan. So There's a lot of doors starting to open up here, and that's awesome. I'm curious, where in the world are you watching this movie from? I'd be curious to hear. All right, so let me clear off this workspace just a little, because I'm going to be doing this in a way I've never done before. I have a whole bunch of paints that I don't want to get ruined. All right. So this is that oxide black that has the silicone in it. I think first things first, I want to pop these little bubbles that are in here. There we go. Bubbles are popped. So I'm going to be using this little document protector to kind of drag across with my swipe color. So I'm going to pour some of my swipe color on my plastic sheeting right here. Make kind of a wide band of it so we can get a decent amount on this thing. Is that even wide enough for the document protector? Yeah, it is. All right. Now there was about two to three drops of silicone in there. I'm certain that you can see what I'm doing over here. I'm just making sure I have a nice band of this black on the document protector, right? And I'm gonna let a little extra bit of it bleed off. Bring it to where we're gonna use it, and then lay it on. All right. Didn't account for my spinny table, but that's okay. And we're gonna slowly drag it across, exposing all those gorgeous little cells underneath. Oh, wow. Now that, y'all, that is beautiful. That is gorgeous. Just that really subtle gradient going all the way through these colors. Now let me take this heat gun and see if we can coax any more to happen. These cells are going to continue to expand. Wow. You guys, this is beautiful. So colorful. I'm loving a lot of the purples and blues and all that are going on down there. Goodness. I'm going to try to shift some of this paint up a little bit. So we're just going real slow and gentle. Some of those cells are just getting a little squished, but that's okay. That is okay. All right, let's give this some paint to flow over. We did make far too much white, but that is okay too. We're just trying to give it a surface to be able to glide on. It's just like that resin. If it doesn't have a surface, a dry part of the canvas, it doesn't want to flow. So we're going to help it flow. All right, we'll do a little bit of a spin, just to kind of stretch those cells, help them grow just a little. That is awesome. Wow. I didn't notice that, but a lot of this brown veining is actually the copper. That is gorgeous, you guys. I don't want to touch this at all. I really don't want to change it. I'm going to have to go through, scrape some of these edges, keep it, try to stop it from flowing over the edge in certain parts, because when it does, you can see that it kind of pulls that side with it. But no, this is amazing. So I'm going to bring you guys down so you can see what it looks like right now. These cells are going to continue to grow. So that's why I'm also going to be showing you the dried version. And this thing is so stunning. Look at how these cells are just blooming to life all throughout this little swipe right here. And right now it's wet, which is cool, is these cells are going to continue to expand. I can't wait to see it dry. I absolutely love all the stuff that happened during the drying process for this one. In these magentas and blues and turquoise with that copper, it just looks almost like some phantom lightning effect. And this thing absolutely blows me away. And I do want to do a whole nother one.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.